Alright, this is where we take questions from chat.
Alright.
Alright, chat.
Alright.
Yvonne, you can be the interviewer reading
Yes.
chat. Hold your phone up to the camera.
Okay, welcome to our first Q&A
and
video.
then do the focus. Do the focus.
Okay.
Yeah. And then when you move to me, you refocus it. Perfect. Fucking crisp, Yvonne. That's money.
Crisp.
That's money.
Alright. Will you make fried chicken next?
Alright, now you move the phone and you do the... Oh, that's money, Yvonne. That's money. No, I don't like fried food because it's fattening. Yes, I know. I didn't eat anything the whole day so I can have room for corn dog.
Oh, okay.
So you can do the same thing for fried chicken.
Yeah, I guess technically true.
Can I work for you toast?
You didn't do that. You didn't focus on the phone.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
What do you can't...
I literally just did.
Yvonne, I see the camera off to the side. You put it in the front and you took it off instantly.
No, I did. They said I did. See? Chad would never lie to you. See? They're actually saying they would never be on my side.
She did for a second.
See?
I apologize.
Oh, why are you so hard on Yvonne? That's a good question.
You're being really selective with these questions.
No, I'm not.
I didn't even see that question.
Yeah, wait. Was that question even there, Yvonne?
Yes, it was there! It was there! Are you Sekuno's brother? Any more vlogs?
Vlogs?
Vlogs.
Yeah, I got one where we went to Disneyland. And I met the real Ant-Man.
No, you didn't.
No, he was there. He was real.
No, he wasn't.
He was real.
He was literally a cosplayer at Disneyland.
No, he wasn't. He was at the Avengers compound at Disneyland.
Okay. No, he's real. So is Santa Claus. Yvonne is short? That's not a question. Who's your celebrity crush?
Oh, there's the oven.
Hey, you didn't answer!
Alright. Oven is cooked. Alright, you want to aim the camera over here. I'm sorry. Do you have a complaint?
Yes.
What's a complaint? That's the problem, Yvonne. You got a problem here?
I don't know. Just keep going.
We don't have a problem, right?
No, I don't have a problem.
We don't have a problem?
No, we don't have a problem.
We don't have a problem,
Just
right?
keep going. Oh man! Pick the goddamn cookie bowls. What do we have all day for, huh? Do we have all day? Oh, the crew has to go home, okay?
This is the film industry.
Can we wrap it up so that everyone can go home on time, huh?
Have you been to a shoot?
Yes.
Alright.
We're gonna need you to speed it up. That's what the director says. Alright, can we get another light over here to get the lighting for him as he's putting it into the oven? Okay, thank you.
Who is she talking to?
I'm the director.
Alright. 11 minutes. Starting now.
Alright. Awesome. Perfect. Let's fit this time in with a bit more Q&A.
Yvonne, you want to do some Q&A? Come here.
No.
Come here, Yvonne. Come here.
This is your Q&A.
Yvonne, come here.
Look at that. People want to know about you. Did you poop today?
Yes, I like to measure myself after pooping so that I'm at my lowest weight.
Favorite Twice member?
Chewy?
What is your favorite Korean food?
Favorite Korean food? Tteokbokki.
Any favorite Taylor Swift songs?
Lover.
Oh, will you ever do an OnlyFans?
No.
If you had to lose a limb, which one?
Left leg.
Do you like One Direction?
Yes. Baby, you light up my world like nobody
Dream
else.
Vacation.
I don't vacation. Dream vacation would be staying at home doing nothing.
Something you regret doing.
A lot of things. Believing in the wrong people.
Oh God.
Investing time and effort. Trying to help, and they just throw it all away and end up betraying your
Okay,
trust.
favorite ice cream flavor.
I like mint chocolate.
Okay. Will you ever bring back the toast plushies?
Yes, I already ordered extras to be sold.
Oh, let's go. Would you ever act?
Yeah, but more as the exaggerated version of myself, not as like a brand new person.
Next guest on your cooking show.
Danny, Master Chef Danny
Whoa,
Shifter.
let's go.
Danny says he's too busy, sorry.
Why is the camera tilted? Is it tilted?
It's fine, it's fine. It adds. It's called the Dutch angle. It's actually employed in cinema to make people feel uneasy.
Yeah, it adds a personality to it. Okay.
Dutch angle.
A favorite movie.
Shrek 2. Specifically.
Wait, what happens in Shrek 2?
What? They get turned into a human and a horse? And then Prince Charming pretends to be Shrek because Princess Fiona thinks Prince Charming is Shrek transformed back as a human, and they're about to kiss, and Shrek and Donkey races towards the castle, and the big gingerbread man sacrifices himself to pull down the drawbridge, and Puss in Boots stays back and holds them off.
Okay, chat, as if you guys fucking remember 2, okay? Everyone remembers Shrek 1. Nobody remembers what happens in Shrek 2. This
Shrek
goes for
2
all the
is
sequels.
better than Shrek 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, man. Oh God. Oh, would you ever go skydiving?
No.
Never?
No.
Never.
No.
Okay.
For the right incentive, yes.
Would you ever get a tattoo?
Yes.
Oh.
One like in a sexy area, like the collarbone.
What would it be?
I don't know, some Chinese words that don't make sense.
Oh, okay.
But right here, next to my abs. So when people ask for it, I can be like, oh, bam.
What do you think of people who didn't watch Shrek?
That's okay. That's okay. Because humans have differences. What's important is that we are all kind to each other.
What a PR answer. That's not what he thinks. That is not what he's probably thinking. Fuck you to all the people who didn't watch Shrek. Ooh, favorite actor.
I like the bald guy from Law and Order SVU.
That is. Will you start streaming like this more often?
I don't know, I'm kind of busy. I'm just testing out some new camera setups. It's definitely interesting to do a stream like this. It's almost like watching a live YouTube video.
It is. What's your favorite Disney movie?
Favorite Disney movie? Yeah, there's so much good ones.
When are you gonna go to Disneyland with Yvonne again?
And we just went, Yvonne. We just went 5 days ago.
Yeah, but that doesn't really count.
What do you mean that doesn't count? We went to Disneyland.
That doesn't count. Okay, I'll be honest, nobody asked that. I asked that. I mean, nobody was asking. I figured I would just ask. Okay,
Okay, one.
oh, good. Oh, what is your favorite?
Cookie is spilling out.
Shit. What is your favorite anime?
I like this anime called Slam Dunk from the 1980s. It's about basketball.
Is that the one basketball anime, or is that the one I'm thinking of, like a newer one?
It's the OG one. Did it look old? Because it was very old. It's about
1980.
it's about a high schooler called Sakuragi Hamamichi
Oh.
and his rival Lukawa.
Okay, you're speaking something else, man.
Sakuragi Hanamichi!
The oldest anime I think I watched was like Yakuza Japan or something. God, where's the spicy questions, guys? Where are the spicy questions?
Three more minutes. We put it at 9:44, so yeah. Wait. 3 more minutes? Yeah, 3 more minutes. This is your cookie. Why aren't you here?
Huh? No, my feet hurt. I'm tired.
Yeah. Okay. Well, sorry. It's taken a while because it's hard to pick a question that's.
You gotta do that thing when you put your phone in front of the camera to let them know that this is a live recording. And what they type in chat is actually showing up. You're kind of paused on that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
There you go. Yeah. Look at that chat. What you're typing is showing up, so you know this is live. I love to focus on it, and in the back you can see me all blurred. Production. What are you doing?
I'm saving them. That's what I'm doing.
I like how it's recursing.
I can't pick. Oh God. It's too much, guys. It's not a good. This where are the questions.
Alright, I'm sure chat would love to ask you some question, Yvonne.
No, nothing interesting.
God. Pick something new, okay? Get a new thing. Alright, Yvonne, get in front of the camera.
You keep saying get a new thing.
Get in front of the camera, it's your turn.
I like being here. I'm comfortable.
You've been here the whole time.
Yeah, but I'm
Get
comfortable.
in front of the camera.
Man, I was hugging the camera.
Get in front of the camera. Go.
Wait, Miang's over there. Yo, Miang. Yo, tap in.
Alright, chat, now it's questions for Yvonne.
Tap in. Come on, over here.
Alright. Hit us with some questions, chat.
Are you a gremlin? No.
She is.
Will you marry me? No. Oh, wait. Is this a girl? Or maybe, maybe a little different. What was your first job? I was a sales associate.
At where?
This Canadian store called Coast Mountain Sports. Sounds Canadian, huh?
What did they sell?
They sold like Arc'teryx and like a bunch of sports things. People who do intense mountain climbing. And they even had stuff where they welded the pockets so that water can't seep into anywhere. And I definitely like cut a $800 jacket on accident, sticking a tag in the wrong place and ruined the whole jacket.
Did you tell your boss?
No. If you're not a streamer, what would you do? Probably something in HR still. Is Canada better than the US? Yes. It's not seaweed. Favorite hair color, blonde. Favorite Taylor Swift song. There's too many. I like them all. Favorite ideal vacation in different country, Japan. Would you ever try garlic flavored ice cream? Personal apps. Will you play Minecraft again? Yeah, when we have a longer cooldown. Strange addictions.
You make that.
No, I'm fine.
That's
Well, the cookies are ready.
Woohoo!
Time to get Scarra.
Oh, Scarra.
I don't really.
Scarra.
Do we have oven mitts? Oven mitts for schnapps?
Scarra.
It's scary. They did not come out. Pretty.
Even remotely like
Yeah,
cookies.
it's kind
Scarra's
of scary.
cookies.
Bum, 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 bum.
Maybe we don't have
No, we do.
I don't even think. Are they?
Wait.
This is cooked all the
You
way?
said 11 minutes, right?
Yeah, it's been 11, but
Right, 11 minutes.
it doesn't look. Oh God.
Oh,
that's-
those.
Oh God. It
That
looks.
does not look right.
Woo wee, woo wee, cookies.
It smells
No,
good
we-
though.
Yeah.
Where did it all go wrong?
Oh God.
I'll tell you where it went wrong.
It
But
went
somebody
wrong. It went wrong. It went wrong.
decided.
Okay, wait. Are we taking them out? Or we could just use this.
Someone decided what?
Okay, Scar. I'm sorry. Well, like.
Wait, why are you apologizing?
Oh God.
Wait, what happened?
Don't worry about it.
Is it ready?
Yes, it is ready.
Oh my God!
Oh, no spoilers.
Sorry, I may have taken a message to you.
Okay. You got it? What is going
I
on?
don't
I
know
thought
what
you-
happened
I
there.
thought you baked.
I didn't know.
I thought you baked.
Alright,
Not
for the
Why did
grand
you-
review.
How did you lead to this? How did it lead to this?
Ta-da!
How did it lead to this?
Damn, who did that? Not me.
Let's get the money shot here.
The money shot, yeah.
Wow.
Wow, look at those cookie cups.
bowls. Crazy.
Cookie bowls.
You guys, instead of
And
making
then-
cookie muffins, flipped it and made cookie mountains.
Well, bowls.
That's
Bowls.
Oh, perfect. And now, Mia, bring out the ice cream. And then you use this.
Yeah, to hold the ice cream.
Right?
Oh, you gotta flip it over, Mia. What are you doing?
huh?
What are you doing? What is that? What are you doing with that? You gotta flip him over.
How do I flip it? What do you
she
mean
could
flip
do
him
that.
over?
I don't think you can do
What do
that.
you mean flip him over?
Like,
Flip them over.
flip him over, so it's like bowls. Oh, what's confused?
Where's-
I don't think
Yeah.
it'll pop out
Yeah.
the way you think it will.
It's not.
It's gonna pop. It's gonna slide right out, baby.
No, it won't.
It doesn't.
It won't.
Stop! You're ruining Cookie Day right now.
Oh God.
It's cookie day.
It's Cookie
It's
Day.
cookie. It's
I
National
love Cookie
I
Day.
love cookie day.
National Cookie Day.
Okay, well,
It's not going to.
this
it's not
this
gonna.
this worked out a lot better in our heads, I think.
Okay. It's up to you.
It's not.
Yeah,
It's
just-
really. What you're doing is. It's not gonna.
Yeah, it's not gonna work the way you think it is.
It's not.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you lift this up, and then the bowl slides right out.
Yeah,
you
it's sliding off
doing?
all right.
What are you doing?
It's gonna slide right out.
I think you're supposed to
What
let
are
them
you
cool.
doing?
Maybe let them cool a bit.
No, you're getting rid of the extra stuff first.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah, we're just gonna let it cool. Okay.
But someone told me the cookies were done. I feel like I got lied to.
Oh, well,
Yvonne,
I was told
When,
cookies
when
were
you
done
told me the cookies were done, you could have said.
in 5 minutes,
Ah.
10 minutes. Yeah.
How
It's
about?
fine. Honestly, we make it. It's a cookie crumble.
Ah, cookie
Oh,
crumble.
but that's what we meant to do this whole time.
Okay.
It's really not gonna work like that. You don't.
All right, Mia, scrape it out. Scrape
Yeah,
it out.
yeah,
I'll
yeah,
hold
yeah,
it up. Yeah. And you gently.
Does this have oil on it?
Oh, it might. Okay, wait. Give me that.
Maybe chopsticks. Can I?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Go ahead and pop these bad boys right
It's
out.
not gonna
You have
fall.
to let it cool.
It's not even. Yeah, you didn't even.
Oh, you gotta look for it.
Yeah, let it cool.
Oh, we got one.
Yeah.
We got a cookie bowl.
Yeah.
Look at that. We got a cookie.
You're too
Right here.
excited.
I know.
He's too
Alright,
excited.
where's the ice cream, guys?
We got a cookie bowl right
We
here.
don't even have ice cream.
Coffee. There's coffee right there.
Look.
No one likes
Yeah, a cookie
Why
bowl.
is there a mozzarella stick in the freezer?
Oh, we were supposed to use that
A
earlier.
little treat on a hot day. a little cheese ice cream on a hot day.
Cheese ice cream?
Oh, wow. It's
Why
real-
you put that in the cookie, huh?
It's real hot today. Little cheese ice cream for you.
You're not allowed to put that back in the freezer now.
All right, so we got a cookie bowl now.
Yeah, cookie bowl.
Is that what you call it? That looks more like a plate.
It's like a cookie bowl. Oh.
I mean, a bowl usually.
You know, I kind of want to just taste this to see how it tastes. Mian, you think the taste is gonna be good?
I mean, we didn't make it, so it has to taste good.
What do you mean we didn't make it?
As in, it was already pre-made. But if anybody asks, we made it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, actually
pretty
we made
good,
it.
huh?
We made it.
Yeah, we made it.
We made it.
You guys got the pre-made baking just down to a T. You know, but I've seen a lot of people fuck this up before, so I'm actually impressed.
Yeah.
So we just let it cool. Get
Yeah.
our bowl and scoop some ice cream, baby. We got some ice cream cookie bowls.
That easy.
It's that easy. Oh god, it's a little hot.
Don't burn yourself.
It's not ready yet.
This one's never gonna turn into a bowl, let's be real.
True.
That one might. You're ruining what could be a perfect bowl, Mian.
It's already too late.
No.
That's good.
Oh god.
Hmm.
We can't show them this, man. This is the behind-the-scenes stuff.
Yeah, maybe I need to wash it down with some cheese ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Why'd you give me that face?
Because it's cheese
Is there anything wrong with this? Huh?
It's-
Yvonne, is there anything wrong with this?
No, nothing. Just eat it.
Don't do it. Don't do it,
It's just cheese, Scarra.
Do
It's
it for
just cheese.
science. Oh my god.
I'll take a bite. I would like to confirm it is cheese.
Yeah, that's cheese.
And I think I tasted a little bit of toast on that too.
Ew.
Can we get a rating for the cheese?
That's cheese.
It's very cheesy.
Like an 8 out of 10. Probably a 9 out of 10 then. He licked it again.
All right, so you're gonna put ice cream in your cookie bowl?
Oh no, it's I can't eat that.
Oh yeah.
It's a disaster.
No, it's not.
It all went wrong. It all went wrong.
No, this is gonna cool down.
It all went wrong.
It's gonna
Do
cool
you
down,
understand?
How did you guys mess up Cookie Day?
and we just pop it out.
That's a national holiday, okay.
We just let it cool and we pop it out.
Oh, wait, you guys are making crescents next?
Whoa!
No.
It
It's-
never
is it Crescent
ends.
Day?
It never ends.
It's Crescent Day! Mia, I love
Croissants.
crescents. Here we go. This is how you make it up.
This is
This is how you make it up.
it.
Crescent Day.
It's Crescent Day?
It's Crescent Day.
I give
Crescent
up.
Day.
I give up.
Mia, you were so excited when I left you an hour ago.
I give up, man. It's all gone wrong.
Crescent Day?
It's all
Crescent Day?
gone wrong, Scarra. You don't understand.
Dude, look at the Pillsbury Doughboy. He's so happy. Yvonne, he's so happy.
Yeah, no.
What changed?
Why do they call it crescents and not croissant?
Because that's French and that's racist.
No.
Huh?
Don't. I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Call me back and you make some croissants. Croissant. Croissant.
God, it's all ruined.
That's what I've been saying.
It's ruined.
Oh wait, it's fine. It's fine. Just leave it. It'll cool. It'll be fine.
No, I don't have a patience for that. Yvonne. I want cookies now. What are you doing?
Oh.
Stop trying to reconstruct it. That's gross. That's gross, bro.
I just want a normal cookie.
She's just making cookie crumble, man.
Thank you. Just trying my best.
Get out! Get out! Oh, you gotta do it like they're ice cubes. You gotta
No, it really doesn't work like that.
you gotta do it like it's.
It's really
Are
that's
you
not
sure?
how it works.
Get off!
I don't think it's working.
I don't think.
Come on. I'm gonna get you. Your chocolatey goodness.
Sheesh.
Jeez.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, that's one, right?
That's one?
That has to be
I
one.
thought that was the one that's already out.
Yeah.
He kind of looks kind of crazy. Look at him. see.
Look. I got. Look, guys.
It's precious. Oh God.
Cookie ball. I got a cookie ball.
Yeah, right.
It's a cookie ball.
Yeah, it's a cookie bowl,
You
buddy.
put some ice cream in there, and baby, you got a dessert going. A cookie bowl.
It's like, oh God, are you okay?
Wait, did you just break the bowl?
That's fucked. It's awful. That's the worst day of my life.
We might as well just break it all so at least we can wash this.
Oh God. Nobody's home, I guess.
Well, thank you all for coming to my cooking stream today. I would say it was a absolute success. If I'm being
Really?
honest, absolute.
What part?
Every part was
The
an
burnt corn dog or the cookie bowls?
No, it was all a success. Thank you very much for
Like
coming out.
everything?
Yeah, every part was
You
great.
didn't even have.
Oh, that cookie bowl. That's not bad. That's
Nice.
the best we got.
One lived
Sheesh!
out of ten. Sheesh.
See, we got a cookie bowl. That's a rousing success.
Oh God. Okay, that one actually looks good. There's a hole in it on the bottom though, but it's okay. Just like cover it with your thumb and it's just not even there.
Yeah, true.
Join us next week.
Next week?
Yes, where we'll be cooking.
Ooh. Oh! The time. It's funny how it always happens to close at the right time.
Where we'll be cooking baked Alaskans.
What?
Huh?
On Yvonne Street.
Wait, I didn't
Baked
think
Alaska.
wait,
Baked Alaska.
what the hell is that?
Sheesh. Look, Yvonne.
Yeah?
Look at it. It's like my finger went up someone's butt.
Yeah.
Focus.
Yeah,
Sheesh.
Yeah, it kind of does
Ew.
look like
disgusting.
it. Are you sure it wasn't yours? Okay.
Oh, someone's butt, Yvonne. Just
Yeah,
gonna say they
someone's
didn't
butt.
wipe very
See?
well.
It's more appealing if you think of it as a smudge of shit.
What are you saying?
Oh.
What are you doing?
Well, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for coming to the first episode.
Oh, okay. Now you do the. Okay, now you zoom out and do the blur.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Let me play the music.
And play the music.
Cue the music.
Come on, run here. Run over. Run on over here.
No,
Yeah.
They're dancing.
we gotta cue the music.
I'll play from the laptop so it's clearer.
I gotta pee, man.
Alright. Play the outro music.
Isn't supposed to be different from the intro?
I can't afford that.
It's exactly.
Someday we'll have our last conversation and drink our last cup of coffee. Someday
Aren't they gonna get
we might be 80 and think about the different things we used to say. All the memories of you will just become a ghost of a smile
Over there.
caught in the
I
wind.
forgot about the potato.
Someday it'll be the last day. One day it could be over. The moon could seem so far away, just like all the adventures that we promised we go
What
on again and again.
You can't
All
see
the
this.
memories of you
See anything.
days we were lost in the wind. Someday it'll be the last day. I won't forget how it feels to be loved, to be remembered by someone as special as you. Someday I will drink that last cup of coffee with a smile. I won't forget how it feels to be loved, to be remembered by someone as special as you. Someday I will drink that last cup of coffee with a smile.
Woo! Hog champion.
I'm rating Abe.
Woo!